In TradesPanel, you can add and manage your suppliers and subcontractors to help store invoices, collaborate on projects, and keep track of your total spending with each one. Start by going to the Suppliers and subsection from the main menu. This area is divided into 3 parts: suppliers, subcontractors, and purchase invoices. Let's begin by adding a new supplier. Make sure you're on the Suppliers tab using the bar at the top. Click plus Create New and select New Supplier. Fill in the required details including the supplier's name, tax type, email address, and phone number. Once all fields are complete, click Create Supplier. Your new supplier will now be added to the system and appear in your list. You'll be able to view any of their invoices through here by clicking on their View Invoices button. Adding a subcontractor works in exactly the same way. Click plus Create New, then select New Subcontractor. You're able to do this from the Suppliers or the Subcontractors tab, it doesn't matter which one. Enter their name, tax type, email and phone number, then click Create Subcontractor. Your subcontractor will now appear under the Subcontractors tab. You'll also be able to view any invoices linked to them here. Subcontractors can collaborate on shared projects if you invite them to create a free TradesPanel account, allowing you to manage communication and financial tracking in one place. Now let's look at adding purchase invoices. Switch to the Purchase Invoices tab using the top bar. There are 2 ways to do this. You can upload invoices automatically using Craig or add them manually. To upload using Craig, click Upload with Craig. From the drop-down menu, select the job you want the invoice to be linked to, then upload your invoice PDF. Once the file or files have been uploaded, click Analyze Invoices, and when the analysis is complete, click Process Invoices. CRAIG will extract and populate all invoice data for you. Review the generated invoice carefully to make sure everything looks correct. Then click Save. If you prefer to upload an invoice manually, go back to the Purchase Invoices tab and click Add Purchase Invoice. Start by choosing your vendor from the drop-down list or create a new one if it's their first invoice. Then, select an invoice type and fill out all required details, including the invoice number, date, due date, and choose the job it relates to. Next, add your line items. For each item, select the correct job item, enter the product code, description, quantity, and unit price. Use the Add Line Item button if you need additional line items. Double-check that all details are accurate, then click Create Invoice to save it to the system. Once you've added a few suppliers, subcontractors, and invoices, you can use the built-in filters to manage them more efficiently. You can sort by status and spend amount using the filter button, or sort by alphabetical order to quickly find what you're looking for. Each supplier and subcontractor will be labelled with the amount of invoices they have to their name, the date of the last invoice, the status, and also 2 buttons. One to add an invoice under their name, and one to view a list of all invoices under them. You can also use the pen icon next to their name to make any changes to your supplier or subcontractor. You can also manage your purchase invoices directly from the Purchase Invoice tab and filter them by vendor to quickly find what you need. Each invoice has an eye icon next to it. Click this to open and view the full invoice details. If you need to make changes, click the pen icon to edit the invoice and update any necessary information. And that's how you create and manage suppliers, subcontractors, and purchase invoices in TradesPanel. For more tutorials and step-by-step walkthroughs, visit the Quick Start Guide section in the navigation bar.